Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went and got my nails done. So I'm just showing you the process of how it was done, I guess. So right now she's just like cleaning up my nail bed, pushing down the skin and all. So yeah, so she's going in with the, what's that called? What the hell is that called? That nice thingy. Wait name? I don't know. But guys, if you know, just let me know what name, because I don't remember what name. But yeah, she's going in with that to clean it up and remove dead skin and so on. And I have terrible nails because I bite my fingernail when I'm nervous or when I'm stressed. But yeah, and I have no nail bed. Watch there. Girl finger just dry. But anyway, yeah, she's going in and fixing up that. Yeah. What is now? Yeah, so she'll take off that because she do my nails already now. And guys, I tell you, the nail wouldn't come off for dear life. So I know she a good nail take. She'd have to take off that back because the nail that is stuck to my life, it wouldn't come off. She have to go in with that, you know, and deal with that. Alright, she I don't know. Or she still are going back. Drill it name. Jeez, I'm slow. Drill. Yes. She are going the drill and thing, and you know, she a do her little thing. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah guys, so this is a part where she just size up the nails them, make sure everything right. You know, she get out her coffin nails and thing. You know, cause her coffin nails the ice she want. So coffin nails she get. You know? So she just make sure everything right. How she do hide the nails then? Oh yeah. Yeah, so she put them on now, so she clip them you know, for the size of me, the length of me want. You know, cause even though I love long nails, like I can't too have long nails at your work, you understand? So you have to have them like at a minimum length and things. So she put them to the desired length of me want. Yeah. She just do her thing right this so. She bad man. I recommend her man, she bad. So she just shape them up right here now. Make sure everything shapely. And think can't go to the road and your nails them look like trash, you know. Can't do that. You understand? Guys, if you're one son, I'm tired by the fan in there, you know, and through my mother the on my bed, you know, she use my fan. Or she use the fan. You know, so if you hear one song, guys, nobody come by my case, just the fan. Can't lock it off because she go dead for eat. Place for at you know. But anyways, that's beside the point. Let's get back to my nails. Yeah, so she just continue shape them up. Yeah. Now like my finger them weird, you know, couldn't cock up double joints for kill. Watch there. Her finger them look like praying mantis. One shade them up here, Kamisha. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so she just go for the burning thing. I think this is a primer, you know, for your nails. I'm not so sure. But as some that ever burn me, I don't like it. Ever feel like it just run through my veins, so burn me, man. Try to tell myself to come with that on. So I go back to filing and thing. Make sure everything right again. Yes, so she just go in with the, I think this is a base acrylic for your nails. But she just do that. I think it's a clear acrylic. I'm not sure. Maybe so. But yeah, she just go in with that right here now. She don't do the filing down and she brush off my hand and thing. You know, I just go wash my hand. I never remember to film that. Because, hairdressing salon, just nail tech salon, whatever. It just, have too much crowd and things. So, I don't deal with that. So she just do that again and I add the burning thing again. Lord gee. So the thing just run up through my body. But yeah, just deal with that. Add the clear coat. You know. She always add that. I feel like that's why the nails them just ever come out nice. Cause she had the first nail tech where my have we just add the clear thing there on the nail first before them go in with the actual acrylic. She said the woman know her thing. I wanna mean man. Get the woman her thing man. Get the woman her props. Hello? Get her props. Yeah. Just a deal with that. I think she go for the acrylic yeah, she just look at which one I want. I wanna do white because the design I'm sure I have white at the bottom and it was pink, but the situation bad. She suggests one different thing and the thing look short. Yeah, she just add the white acrylic and thing and I make it nice and I said that white acrylic here pretty white, it crisp, it just look nice. Anyway she buy this from it shot man. Pretty. And just add that right now. Yeah. Yeah guys, so should just go over this again with the drill, you know, to just remove all the excess things and we're gonna want on the nails, and just for like kinda, you know, yeah, just remove the excess, the can't talk, you know, no sir, just to remove the excess things that we no want on the nail. Yeah girl, no talk, no talk. Yeah, so just a buff it right, you know guys, and shape it again and thing, you know, to make everything right and tight. Yes sir. Yes guys, so now it's the fun part. This is the fun part. This is where I get the design, the fire design, guys. For so long I wanted to get this design, but I don't know any nail tech that can do it. And is that the lad say the nail tech just the right below your nose, you know. Oh, you know realize. I'm gonna bring it to her guys, and the girl just say yeah, me know for do it, and she do it guys, like she not understand right. A long time I want to get this done, but it look shot it fire. Yes guys, so this is the finished look. This is it guys. Tell me if this not look good. Tell me if this not look good. Like this so cute. Tell me if this not look good. It looks shot guys. I shouldn't understand my glad back boss. I tell you, I like it. It looks so good. Watch them man. Yes girl, show off your nails. Tell them to talk to ya. Nails on fire. Yeah guys, so please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more of these videos from me. I'd love to see you again guys. Please to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Bye bye. Boom.